Welcome to MetaMask versus TronLink wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are included in the description. In this video, we'll break down their features, intended audiences, and unique benefits to help you make an informed decision. MetaMask is a highly popular wallet designed for Ethereum and other EVM-compatible blockchains. It's widely known for its seamless integration with dApps, DeFi platforms, and NFT marketplaces. MetaMask offers a browser extension and a mobile app, making it accessible across devices. Key features include custom token support, built-in token swapping, and connectivity to various decentralized applications. It's ideal for developers, traders, and investors deeply involved in Ethereum's ecosystem. However, as a hot wallet, users must prioritize security, ensuring private keys and seed phrases are well protected. TronLink Wallet, on the other hand, is purpose-built for the Tron blockchain. It's an essential tool for anyone engaging with Tron-based assets, TRC10 and TRC20 tokens, and the growing number of dApps in the Tron ecosystem. TronLink supports staking for TRX, Tron's native token, allowing users to earn rewards and participate in network governance. With its browser extension and mobile app, TronLink offers cross-platform convenience, just like MetaMask. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with Tron-based decentralized applications, making it an indispensable wallet for Tron enthusiasts. However, it's limited to Tron and does not support Ethereum or other blockchain networks. Choosing between MetaMask and TronLink Wallet depends on your blockchain preferences and goals. If you're invested in the Ethereum ecosystem, including DeFi projects, NFTs, or multi-chain management, MetaMask is the obvious choice due to its versatility. Conversely, if your focus is on the Tron blockchain, staking TRX, or using Tron-based dApps, TronLink is purposefully designed for those needs. Both wallets excel in their respective niches, offering powerful tools for their ecosystems. Check the links in the description to explore these wallets further, and let us know in the comments which one aligns with your crypto journey.